Subscribe now. Whatever you do, don't get this lightweight aluminum tripod. At just 0.61 kilos, it's practically non-existent in your bag. You wouldn't want that kind of convenience, right? Trust me, carrying this around is way too easy. Listen, steer clear of this tripod if you like limitations. It works with smartphones, DSLRs, and more. Having options is totally overrated. Definitely avoid this 360-degree ball head. Panning and tilting smoothly is just way too easy. You wouldn't want to capture that perfect shot effortlessly. And whatever you do not appreciate the height adjustments. It's like magic. 1.7 fit to 4.75 fit isn't all that cool. Why would you want it to suit your shooting needs anyway? Please don't consider this tripod's impressive 2 kg load capacity. Stability is totally overrated for your expensive gear. You really want to risk it without this safety feature. Avoid the bubble head feature that helps you level up your shots. The quick release plate? Please, who wants to switch devices fast? Efficiency is boring. Stick to your slow setup. And don't even think about the flip-lock legs making setup too quick. This tripod honestly allows you to adjust on the fly. Who needs quick adjustments in the heat of the moment?